So this is the bid number which you have shared with me. Here if we scroll down, then if we see this download option, it does mean this is a custom bid. So we need to upload the product separately. More of we can track it from here also, where item category it is written printing and supply of educational posters, charts, books. After that in bracket there is nothing mentioned like Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. So it does mean it is a custom bid. What we need to do, we need to copy this bid number, then we go to bids, we gonna put the bid number here, select on contents and select exact bid search, then search. Here you can see the option participate. We need to click on it, then select no, no, yes, save. Then we need to select catalog. Here we can see that no catalog is matching because we have not uploaded any catalog so far. So we gonna uh, make a catalog. So we go to bid document, then scroll down, select download. It will take some time as per the gem and internet speed, depends on this only. See this one, then you need to save this document to desktop. We have saved this document to desktop. Now it is showing printing and supply educational posters. So posters, any poster picture we can save like this. So we will save this image. This is WEB actually. We will select some other picture. This will also work. We can save this image. It has to be JPEG or PNG. Now upload a new product, and from here we will download, we will copy this bid number. Brand, any brand which is mentioned over here, I'll select unbranded. You may also select unbranded, then click on this, then select yes, save, proceed. Here you need to paste this bid number and you can copy paste this one here also. Save, proceed. Selling product as, now we need to check whether this bid is registered for only for OEM or not. See here we can see MSME, MSE purchase preference, it is no. If it would be yes, then we need to select as OEM like this. Because it is selected no, so we can select reseller. Country of origin India, 100, any rate what you want to put here. Save, proceed. Upload the files. First of all this one, this file I have renamed as 1, so I am uploading it. Then save, proceed. Then the pictures one by one. I certify, save, proceed. Review terms and conditions, publish. Now this is the OTP, verify OTP and publish. So it will publish instantly. It may take some time, depends on gem network also. We'll go to here. It may take some time to reflect here. It won't reflect then and there only or instantly, but it may take some time. See, it is at not reflected. It may take some time. Whenever it will show, you can select from here. Thank you.